Okay guys, day 2 of the Smokies. I don't know if you can hear it raining or not, but I'm in the shelter and it is pouring. Can't show you much, it's so dark in here, but that's the Smokies' second day. We're waiting it out for a little bit. There's supposed to be a lot more rain coming. Morning everybody. Getting a late stop. Yeah, it was a late, no it wasn't too late yesterday. But anyway, this is what we got this morning. It's been pouring rain, so I'm getting off later than I wanted to. I wanted to go to Derrick's Knob, but that's, I think, right at 12 miles down the road, and unfortunately, with this heavier pack, I'm not doing 2 miles an hour, and I wasn't doing 2 miles an hour before. So anyway, late start, but this is what we got. No views so far, but it may clear up. I think yesterday was supposed to be the worst day, and of course it carried into the night and the morning. So hopefully we are in for better weather later. Some neat stuff on that tree. Still raining. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I know you can't see it usually. You can't see it in film, but still raining. It's been raining. I got a late start. And I didn't, doggone it, I didn't take any, there's a trail going down there. Didn't take any video of Mollies Ridge, but wherever I land tonight, I'll try to get it tomorrow, or tonight. Bye. The Smokies have their own way of potting flowers. Isn't this beautiful? These bitty flowers in there, little purple flowers in this beautiful trunk. And their rocks have little messages or something on them. Cool. Just along the trail. Pretty. Different. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all today, guys. Oh, here's the trail up there. I saw 3 deer at Mollies Ridge. 2 buck, and I didn't see what the other one was, but I imagine she was a female, or maybe not. Maybe it'd only be 1 buck if it's a female, but anyway, they were big and beautiful. I didn't have my camera with me, of course. One of the guys says, come here, come here, come here. Went running around. I thought it was a bear, but it wasn't. It was still, they were gorgeous, big. They grow them big here in the Smokies. Coming up, and what do I spy but a beautiful little rock area. Guarding the trail with a little sign on it. And it goes on up there. A lot of roots up there. Well, I'll show you Russell Phil's shelter, since I didn't get Mollies Ridge this morning because it was pouring rain. It's nice. There's a little table over there to cook on. Another little area here to cook on and sit. Fireplace. Well, this is a nice one. They're all been pretty nice. And then they got a double decker. I slept right there last night at Mollies Ridge. But it's beautiful. They know how to do it here in North Carolina. Even got a little fire pit out there. So this is Spencer Field. Oh, that was Russell Field Shelter. I lied to y'all. We're going to Spence. We're heading to Spenceville. Okay. Bye. Here's some more dancing trees in here. They're beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, and I came up to a rock into this beautiful tree. Just goes up and up and up and up. See the clouds in the sky? But there's some blue too, pretty blue. But this is really unique with the trunk and the rock. Like it. Here's the shelter. It says go down this way. 0.2 miles to the shelter. And tomorrow I'll be going. I was hoping to go to Derrick Knob today, but I am worn out after yesterday, I guess. I don't know. And we got a late start this morning because of the rain, but so I'll go there tomorrow and then hopefully on over to another. Bye.